The charging equipment not ready error on your Tesla app indicates a communication or power supply problem between your Tesla, wall connector, and your home's electrical grid. This means your car isn't able to receive power from the wall connector. This could be a tripped circuit breaker, a software issue, or a problem with the connector itself. We'll cover how to troubleshoot and fix this, but in 2025, these are 80% user fixable. First, check your circuit breaker to ensure it hasn't tripped. Look for the switch in the off position or a red indicator. If it has tripped, reset it by flipping the switch back to on. Next, inspect the wiring connections to your wall connector for any loose or damaged wires. Check where the cable connects to the connector and the electrical panel. Signs of damage include frayed insulation or exposed copper. A simple reset of the wall connector can often resolve the issue. Locate the button on the connector and press and hold it for about 10 seconds until the light changes. This clears any temporary communication errors. If you have an older wall connector, consider upgrading to the Wall Connector Pro, launched in mid-2025. It features improved surge protection and modular components, making it more resilient to grid instability and reducing error occurrences. First, verify that your Tesla app has the necessary permissions. Go to your phone's settings and ensure location access is set to while using the app for the Tesla app. This allows the app to communicate properly with your wall connector and vehicle. Next, take advantage of Tesla's AI-assisted troubleshooter, available in app version 4.28.0 and later. This intelligent tool integrates directly with your vehicle's systems and guides you through common fixes in real time, often resolving issues without needing professional help. Finally, ensure both your Tesla vehicle and wall connector have the latest over-the-air software updates installed. These updates often include important bug fixes and improvements that can resolve charging equipment issues automatically. Outdated firmware on either the wall connector or your Tesla can cause communication problems. This often results in the charging equipment not ready error because the devices can't properly handshake with each other or the electrical grid. To fix this, ensure both the wall connector and your Tesla vehicle are running the latest software versions. Tesla provides over-the-air updates that you can check and install through the Tesla app. These updates are especially important for older installations from before 2023, where firmware compatibility may lag. The latest firmware version, v5.2.1, released in October 2025, includes enhanced diagnostics that automatically detect and resolve common issues. This helps reduce app-reported errors by up to 40%, according to user reports. Tesla's app version 4.28.0 and above features an AI-assisted troubleshooter for guided fixes. Voltage sags below 200 volts can trigger the error. The wall connector monitors these using embedded sensors. Harmonics in your home's electrical supply can also cause issues. Phase imbalances may also be a factor in power quality issues. If you suspect power quality issues, contact a qualified electrician to inspect your home's electrical system. Consider eco-friendly trends like solar-integrated connectors to reduce grid dependency. In some cases, the charging equipment not ready error stems from insufficient electrical service at home. Fast charging requires more power than standard outlets can provide, leading to consistent breaker trips. If your service is only 40 A, but charging needs 60 A's or more, upgrading to 100 at service can solve this. This involves replacing your fuse box with a breaker panel and updating wiring. Tesla's app version 4.25 introduced load balancing, which intelligently manages power distribution to prevent overloads, reducing such errors by 30% in regions with grid constraints. For real-world examples, community members on Reddit's r/Tesla Motors share case studies of successful upgrades, like switching to 100A service to eliminate charging interruptions. If you've tried the troubleshooting steps and the charging equipment not ready error persists, it's time to contact a qualified electrician or Tesla service. Hardware faults like a blown fuse or damaged circuit board require professional intervention. Common hardware faults include a blown fuse where the internal wire breaks and stops conducting electricity, or a damaged circuit board with faulty electronic components. For these issues, contact a qualified electrician or Tesla service center. They have the expertise and tools to diagnose and repair the problem safely. Remember that Tesla's warranty covers most hardware fixes, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars annually. Check the Tesla warranty guide for coverage details. Looking ahead, Tesla's 2026 roadmap emphasizes AI-driven predictive maintenance. Machine learning algorithms will predict faults before they occur, potentially eliminating 90% of manual interventions by 2028. The predictive maintenance process involves collecting data from charging sessions, analyzing patterns to identify potential issues, building AI models to predict faults, deploying these models in the wall connector, and continuously reviewing and improving the system. By 2028, this AI integration could reduce manual interventions by up to 90%, as the system learns from millions of charging sessions to prevent errors like charging equipment not ready before they happen. By 2030, full AI integration aims for zero-touch charging reliability, where the entire process happens autonomously, making errors like this completely obsolete through advanced IoT enhancements and smart grid integration.